Hey, what's up everybody? This is Havoc coming at you. Got a couple things to talk about for December. First up, I'm launching my new membership squad. If you head over to havocclub.com, you can get signed up. I have 3 different tiers. Each tier comes with different incentives. Some of them include being listed in the credits of my YouTube videos, watching my YouTube videos a week before they are posted, along with merch giveaways, sticker giveaways, game code giveaways, and more. Again, head over to havocclub.com and get signed up. Second, I'm doing what I'm dubbing as Techmas. I'm going to be uploading a lot of different tech videos to my YouTube page coming up in the next month. Head over to youtube.com/havoc. I'm going to have a bunch of stuff on there when it comes to Bluetooth earbuds, Elgato products, and more. Really, I would like to showcase some unboxing products for you to help you make a better tech buying decision this holiday season. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the amazing support, and we'll see you next month.